Hello YouTube, this is WarioToad32, and I'm playing online with Slinky10177, who's in the room with me, and Lightning Squid, who is not with me, but still playing with me online.
So, what race am I
Wario
gonna
Shipyard.
choose? I'm thinking...
You're gonna do SNES Rainbow Road again?
I'm gonna do a different one. Use Toad.
Which was mine?
Wario Shipyard. I haven't done this one in a while.
You haven't?
Nope.
I did this for like 30 seconds earlier today, if you remember that video. And me trying to predict the retro track.
First. Oh, make that first.
You in first?
Yep. What are you in?
Third currently. But no, I'm not far behind. Not at all. I might actually end up in first with the star. We're all so close to each other right now.
Oh!
Did you die?
Yeah, it didn't beat me up anymore. I'm using gyro controls to flip now. So you both have an advantage on me.
Well, I have to record, so...
I think we're gonna have a bonus time.
We can still not do that, but I'm not paying too much attention there.
Yes, I made it this time. Sorry. Did I hit anybody?
With what?
The show?
No, but I slipped over a banana. I don't know whose that was. That may have been mine. I actually don't know who the banana belonged to, exactly. I don't think I'm that far behind right now.
Yeah, it's pretty far. Oops.
Oh, I missed the item. I missed the item. Yeah, I should have gotten that item, but I don't know why I didn't get it.
You're kidding me. I never make that jump. I don't know why. Everybody else does it. Yeah, we can be friends. How are you not passing me yet?
I'm ahead of you now.
Not for long.
As long as at least I'm not gonna be...
Yeah! Boom!
That was actually pretty close.
Boom! Next race. Mushroom Lord. Spamming A. So then I'll be picked. Did it. What are you doing?
Oh wow. Really? That was actually by complete accident.
No!
Actually, Lightning Squid, if you're watching this, that was actually by complete accident. Did you know I was gonna choose that? That's what I usually choose that second after Wario Shipyard. And I chose it first, so were you trying? But I don't think you knew I did it because you just.
Oh, I blew up.
Oh, I didn't do it at all.
Oh, I rocket this server. I know a secret. If I can do it.
You need a mushroom, and it's not. Hopefully, he doesn't know about that secret. Lightning Squid.
Why? Do you know how to do it?
The shortcut, yeah.
Yeah.
I can't do it right now because I don't have any mushrooms. And I'm already past it anyway. Which one? Are you thinking about a different one?
You remember that like the easy one?
That one they got rid of online. Actually, did they? Oh, wait, but yeah, you can still do it.
Hey, dude.
You can still do it on time trials. You did technically shoot a shot now,
But it didn't hit you.
Yes, it did.
Okay.
It was a red shell. Of course it hit me.
But I said I'm sorry. Dude, don't hit me.
Not trying to hit you.
Did I hit you?
Did I just hit him?
Yep.
I wasn't even trying to there. It's because he turned in the same... Hey look, at least I got him out of... Slinky, I got him out of first place for you.
I'm sorry, it's a red shell. I can't just shoot it back now.
You can. Actually, no, you do have a point there.
It's a red shell.
Uh-huh.
Oh, first? Yes!
Did he dodge me? Seriously,
Yeah.
why do we always come so close? It's always so close.
Oh, yeah. First.
Oh, okay. Mushroom Gorge, or whatever you want to do.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
If I actually get first, then it probably I still have a chance. There's a chance
It's always choosing you.
I don't know, did it choose him for Bowser Castle? I
No,
don't know.
it chose you. Here we go. I need to get first.
I need to get first more importantly than anyone. Even if I get first, I might still, you guys probably will still be, actually, I don't know, it depends. I'll probably be, one person will be ahead of me, the other person will be tied with me. Oh, you're taking that way, that way's, I think, longer.
Not much of a difference, actually.
No, but it is a little bit, because, as you can see,
Yeah.
I am in first. Now, I think if I fly over here, then,
I'm gonna land on this mushroom. Don't shoot it at me.
sorry, I said I'm sorry. Oh, I still have an advantage if he comes up. I'm just gonna keep this orbiting me unless I have an actual importance item. If I have something of importance, then... Nah, I'll still keep this orbiting me. It's better to keep this for self-defense than it is... Here's a bomb, but how...
Ooh, it hit me.
It did?
I had a star. He almost killed me, but I landed it. I was on the last one. Oh my god, everybody! Only 3 seconds.
Well, there's only 3 people.
Wow. I was thinking another one or everything.
Did you have the blooper or was that him?
Hurt him. Wait a minute, I didn't get one. I didn't get. Oh, because.
You had a star.
Yeah.
Did you? I don't know how far ahead I am, but I'm actually sort of liking this. Maybe I am, because
One of us gets the blue thing.
I really actually need to win this, because still, if I don't,
It's just me and him that are like next to me. Oh!
seriously, I need to have a chance. If I do not get first in this one, then there's no way that I'm ever gonna win this. At least I have a chance now.
No, this is just so last. I'm gonna have to.
No, it's not. Yes!
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
glad I'm gonna
please.
come second.
You're still gonna be ahead of him. You're probably gonna be ahead of me still. But I'll probably be tied with Lightning Squeal in this race. As of this race, him and I will be tied. You will be probably in first place. Oh, I thought we'd be tied. Oh, 1 point difference. So I
6,
think
7, 8.
I think this probably boils down to the last race.
So pretty much whoever gets first in this wins.
Yeah, well, no, I've got to try to get first anyway, because I'm still in last for some reason. I don't see why I'm in the logic of getting these. I don't see the logic of how the points add up themselves, but...
Oh no. It's probably gonna choose you. Yeah!
If I win this one, then...
You win.
Yeah, well, or I tie with someone, which would probably be most...
Here we go.
That would be... We should literally plan this.
Yeah.
Oh, if he was here, then we should plan this. I get first, he gets second, you get third, and then we all tie. That'd be funny. Then let's say we all got first. I think that would tie us out.
Instead of using that, he's using my card. Except he's using different wheels. I'm first.
As long as...
Right here.
Well, you have the most points. As long as I get... If I get first place, then I have a chance of winning. But it's...
You win.
Yeah, probably.
What's happening here?
That's why I'm not shooting it yet.
You can have him when he gets raped.
Yeah, I am. I will be. Oh, I'm so glad this isn't Mario Kart 8, because then I could only hold this in my inventory items.
Oh no.
But it's just helpful. I believe this actually hits him.
Yes. Did it?
I don't know, I'm not sure.
Who's doing first?
Because I
Is
hit...
that you?
The what? They got the blooper? Yes, and I also hit him with a shell. Wait, why did you get hit?
I hit a banana peel.
Not also close. They should count points of how close...
You this fast? You went through my beam with a banana peel. I just watched you go through it.
So that was just a waste. I just didn't want that clogging up my inventory.
No, I wasn't third.
He's not gonna have that forever.
Yes!
Don't hit me, don't hit me. Look, I'm actually...
Just shoot him! Just shoot him now! That's all you got.
You still have the star?
Nope. Got the chance. Yes.
Is he seriously gonna try to hit me while I have that? Really? You just made it easier for me because you shot me with a weapon when I was still able to.
That's gonna do a lot.
Yeah, actually.
You would have.
Now usually I'm fine with.
Actually,
this.
It doesn't matter how well you play. It also matters on what you get the items. You know?
Yeah. Oh
Oh
no.
no.
Is blue shell one of those items? Thankfully.
No.
Now usually I don't mind blue shells because usually sometimes if I'm far enough ahead I just let it hit me. Well, you can dodge a blue shell. Well, actually.
Yes.
I don't know how far ahead I am, and I don't know how badly that's gonna affect me, but whatever. No.
No, I can run.
Yes! We'll probably tie. I bet this race will be a tie.
Nope.
Oh, I won! Yay!
Me and him tied.
So I started off really bad, and then I was able to get good. Okay, thanks for watching YouTube. Make sure you check out my channel, and Slinky10177's channel, and Lightning Squid. Check out all three of our
Well,
channels.
he changed his name.
Oh yeah, the 7 Gaming, whatever.
Bye.
Bye.